Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So gold, instead of breaking any structure to the upside, which it definitely didn't, as you can see, there was never no break of structure up. So instead of being in the end of an ABC correction and going up, what it ended up doing was making a corrective 1, 2, 3 pattern and then turn back into the downtrend. So obviously the 50% didn't hold. The next area of interest for me is the 61%, which is the 3,164 area. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on it. I mean, it definitely does look like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C. So if it goes down to this area, it makes a big bounce, definitely worth giving it a try. And then if it just makes another three-way pullback like before, then pushes back down, then just continue to look for shorts. If it makes a bounce and then goes up and gives you a break of structure, that's what tells you the end. It is the end of an ABC correction, and that we are back into the higher time frame uptrend. Until that happens, I definitely do recommend shorts, especially on shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.